It's the 31st of May now, so we're all hoping that soon the parks will open up again. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Skywalk in front of the MBK, and this is a new building that most people probably don't know, but it's finished now. It's the Siam Scape, which is part of the Chulalongkorn University complex, and there in the back we have the Mahanakhon, and the weather is awesome. I mean, it's picture perfect, nice blue sky. So I thought this is a perfect opportunity to film a little bit on this square here. I'm gonna walk towards the Grafitti Park. I filmed it one time before, but that was in the rain. There I walked from the Jim Thompson house to the Grafitti Park, so this is probably gonna look a little bit different. So here we have the Bangkok Art and Cultural Center, which unfortunately is still closed. Yeah, and this is next to the Siam BTS station, where the Sukhumvit and the Silom line connect. So yeah, a busy intersection in the center of town. So I'm gonna walk down here, across the bridge, towards the Grafitti Park. It's nice and hot. It's the only way I can describe it. But what I said, it gives that perfect clear shot on everything that you film. Sale from the 17th of May until the 30th of June. To tell Mirella about that one. Yeah, so if you would walk straight on here, you'll get to Siam Paragon and the Discovery Mall, but I'm gonna walk under the Skywalk now in the direction of the Grafitti Park. Yeah, the Grafitti Park is something that's been there already for quite a while, and there's a lot of local graffiti artists that put their signature paintings on there, and one of them is Alex Face, which I guess at the moment is probably the most famous street artist in Bangkok. So let's see if his artwork is still there. Might be replaced by other works, because that's the whole point of graffiti, of course. So this here is the back street of Siam Paragon. So if you come with a car, you probably arrive here. Yeah, here we're gonna pass the Klong San Sep. Yeah, normally you always see me going through these kind of areas on a bicycle. Today I thought it was a good time to do a little walk. It's about 1:30. Here you have one of those new London style cabs, the CABB. We made a video about that the other day. You see them more and more now in the city. There in front you see an office building that's located on Payathai Road. And that just finished like a couple of months ago. This is a very nice hotel here. It's called the Hua Chang Heritage Hotel. And it's just around the corner of the Siam Square. Yeah, so here we're passing the Klong San Sep. If you would go under here, you can turn left and then you get to the Jim Thompson house. And yeah, if you're visiting Bangkok, you should actually visit the Jim Thompson house as well. It's an interesting story. So here you see the Klong. BTS coming through. I'm always amazed by this, the style of these pillars. It's like the four, you know, the four elephant heads, and it looks like a bomb or a bullet in the middle. I'm still not sure what that means. It always gives me the feeling like it's from the Planet of the Apes movies, you know? I don't know why. So here to the right you have the Grafitti Park. So let's see what kind of cool stuff they have at the moment. Well, it seems to be closed. Yeah, we'll just have a quick look. So I see there is still an Alex Face over there, and this is normally also used as a skate park. So they have a few guards here that need to take care. So as you can see, I think this is one of the paintings that's in the process. Yeah, what I said, I've been here in the rain. Yeah, we're all hoping that it's the 31st of May now, so we're all hoping that soon everything will open up again and that also the parks will open up again. Yeah, as you see, a lot of local artists worked here. I know that here around the corner there's a few more. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, leave me a comment, you can press the like button, and see you guys in my next video.